How to get walking directions on iPhone apps. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, use the map to find the specific area where you want to drop the pin. A red pin will appear at that location. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like Directions, Save, Share, or Add a label at the bottom. Here, tap on the Directions button. You can view the different transport options available. From here, select the walking icon. You can view how long it will take for you to walk to that location, as well as the distance. Then, tap on Start. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily get walking directions on iPhone apps. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.